Welcome to a special journey where we will explore every step of the process involved in growing and harvesting dragon fruit. A unique fruit of Asia. From the pure white flowers blooming under the moonlight to the vibrant red dragon fruits in the fields. And finally, to the crispy dried snacks and refreshing dragon fruit juice. Let's dive into this colorful and fascinating world where nature, science, and human skill come together to create these wonderful dragon fruits. And remember, don't take your eyes off the screen, because along with interesting insights, we have some surprising and humorous stories for you. Before we can enjoy those sweet dragon fruits, where does it all begin? First, the soil must be carefully prepared. The soil needs to be loose, well-drained, and rich in nutrients to support the growth of dragon fruit plants. Of course, growing dragon fruit isn't as simple as just sticking a branch into the ground and waiting. Growing dragon fruit is an art, and farmers are the true artists, tending to each stage with care to produce those perfect dragon fruits. The branches are cut from the mother plant and planted about 12 to 16 inches deep in the soil, with a distance of 8 to 10 feet between each plant. This not only gives the plants enough space to grow, but also makes it easier to care for and harvest them later on. And did you know? Each dragon fruit plant can produce fruit for up to 20 years, with an average yield of 20 to 30 fruits per year. This means that if cared for properly, a single dragon fruit plant can produce around 400 to 600 fruits over its lifetime. Looking at the rows of dragon fruit plants stretching out under the sky, farmers can't help but feel proud. A thriving dragon fruit field is not just a place for harvesting, but also a symbol of hard work and dedication. Every day, farmers must water, fertilize, and monitor each branch and leaf. Fertilization is done on a regular schedule, once a month, using just the right amount of organic fertilizer to avoid harming the soil while providing enough nutrients for the plants. Each year, a hectare of dragon fruit fields can produce about 30 to 35 tons of fruit, a result of sweat and a deep love for the work. As night falls, while most people are sound asleep, the dragon fruit plants begin their work. That's right. You heard me. They're night owls. Their pure white flowers bloom at night under the soft moonlight, as if gently greeting the moon. Some even say that dragon fruit flowers are nature's midnight dreams, reserved only for those patient enough to wait. The dragon fruit flowers bloom for just one night and wither by the next morning. During this brief period, the flowers need to be pollinated to produce fruit. If this time is missed, no fruit will form afterward. This is why farmers must always be ready, sometimes staying up all night to check and pollinate the flowers. Can you imagine? Taking care of dragon fruit flowers is like tending to a delicate princess, temperamental, yet incredibly precious. And then, after many days of waiting, the dragon fruits begin to appear. From small green fruits, they gradually turn into vibrant red gems. Harvesting dragon fruit is not just about picking the fruit. It's a refined art that requires the farmer's meticulous care and experience. The harvesting process usually starts early in the morning, before the sun gets too harsh, to keep the dragon fruits from losing moisture. Farmers use sharp knives to carefully cut each fruit, ensuring that the skin and stem are not damaged. Dragon fruits harvested at the right time have bright red skin, firm flesh, and a sweet, refreshing taste. Each dragon fruit plant can yield 20 to 30 fruits per season, and a large dragon fruit field can produce tons of fruit each year. After being harvested, the dragon fruits are gently placed in baskets to avoid bruising the outer skin. They are then transported to cold storage to maintain freshness before being sent to processing plants or wholesale markets. Sometimes, during the harvest, farmers have to deal with unexpected challenges like sudden rain or mischievous animals wanting to share in the bounty. After the dragon fruits are harvested, they embark on a new journey at processing plants. Here, the fruits are selected, cleaned, and prepared for various processes. Some of the fruits are dried, turning into crispy, nutritious dragon fruit chips. Dried dragon fruit retains its natural flavor and is convenient for long-term storage and consumption. Dragon fruit is not just a fruit, it's a symbol of modern agriculture in Asia. With continuous advancements in technology and techniques, dragon fruit production increases each year, providing a stable income for thousands of farmers. Beyond domestic consumption, Asian dragon fruit has conquered international markets, from Europe and the Americas to Africa. Meanwhile, another portion of the dragon fruits is processed into refreshing juice. The juice-making process starts by extracting the juice from the freshest dragon fruits. Dragon fruit juice is not only visually appealing with its vibrant color, but also retains most of the vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy and delicious beverage. A fascinating fact is that Vietnam is currently the world's largest exporter of dragon fruit, accounting for up to 50% of global production. And it's not just fresh dragon fruit. The dragon fruit processing industry is also thriving, with a variety of products such as dragon fruit juice, dragon fruit-based snacks, and even cosmetics. The future of dragon fruit in Asia promises to hold many more surprises and delights.
Have you ever wondered how a cassava plant goes from being planted to becoming a refined product on your table? It's not just an agricultural story. It's a remarkable journey from carefully selected cuttings to vast fields and then to modern factories where they're transformed into valuable products exported around the world. Let's explore this unique process, from the very first steps to the final product. Everything starts with these small cassava cuttings. These stems are carefully pruned from mature plants, chosen with precision to ensure the strongest growth. Don't underestimate these cuttings. They're the lifeblood of an entire season. Each of these cuttings has the potential to grow into a robust cassava plant, contributing to a bountiful harvest. The cassava is planted at a density of 10,000 to 12,000 plants per hectare, with rows spaced 80 to 100 centimeters apart and 40 to 60 centimeters between plants. This spacing not only gives the plants enough room to grow, but also optimizes the field's yield potential, ensuring the highest productivity per hectare. It's a carefully calculated setup with a bit of affection in the mix, too. The drip irrigation system is a lifesaver, ensuring the cassava plants get enough water without worrying about oversaturation. This system delivers 300 to 500 millimeters of water annually, ensuring the plants grow evenly while conserving resources. Think of it like brewing a drip coffee, slow and steady, making sure not a drop is wasted. In the first few weeks after planting, cassava needs meticulous care. The soil must be kept moist for 4 to 6 weeks to ensure the roots have enough water to grow. Regular soil moisture checks are essential to prevent the plants from drying out. You could say this is the stage where cassava is like a toddler that needs special attention to grow up strong. NPK fertilizer and organic compost are applied at various growth stages of the cassava. A fertilizer application of 100 to 150 kilograms per hectare provides the necessary nutrients for robust growth and optimal yield. Regular weeding also plays a crucial role, ensuring the cassava doesn't have to compete for nutrients with weeds. This is no small task. It's like clearing the arena so the cassava can shine. After 9 to 10 months of cultivation and care, the cassava fields are now ready for harvest. These mature plants, with their sturdy stems and lush green leaves, are a testament to the farmer's hard work and careful attention. Harvesting cassava is the most anticipated time of the year. These white, plump roots, weighing between 5 to 7 kilograms, are pulled from the soil as the culmination of many months of hard work. Each root is not just an agricultural product, it's a source of pride for the farmers. This isn't just a harvest, it's a mini celebration of joy and success. Freshly harvested cassava is immediately transported to the processing plant. To ensure quality, cassava must be processed within 24 hours of harvest. Handling between 500 and 1,000 tons daily, the processing plant becomes the heart of the operation, where fresh cassava undergoes modern processing stages to become the final product. It's the final battle to turn fresh cassava into valuable goods. The processing of cassava begins with cleaning and peeling each root. Then, the cassava is sliced and dried at a stable temperature to preserve all its nutrients. Every step in this process is tightly controlled, from drying to milling, ensuring that the final product meets the highest standards of quality and safety. It's not unlike the precision involved in manufacturing a luxury car. Everything must be flawless. The final product after processing is finely milled cassava flour, ready for export to international markets. The plant can process up to 200 tons of dried cassava daily, producing thousands of tons of high-quality flour. These products not only meet domestic demand but also conquer international markets, from China to Japan and across the EU. With continuous development, cassava products have become a strategic commodity, significantly contributing to the national economy. The carefully packed shipments of dried cassava and flour are ready to be exported, providing a stable income for farmers and promoting the growth of local communities. Each export batch is not just an economic achievement, but also a source of pride for the entire community. The story of cassava isn't just about a plant. It's about the deep connection between people and the land, about perseverance and endless creativity. From the fields to the factory, from simple cuttings to high-quality products, this journey is a testament to the resilience and ability to overcome all challenges. This is the spirit that farmers carry with them and will continue to pass down to future generations.